Whiteboard. Learn how to use whiteboard tools in a video meeting in the RingCentral mobile app. RingCentral video meeting participants can use the whiteboard to brainstorm and collaborate. To share a whiteboard, tap More. Then, tap Share Whiteboard. Maximize the whiteboard by tapping the diagonal arrow icon in the top right corner. Let's start with a freehand drawing. First, tap on the pen icon. You can start drawing, or tap on the pen icon again to adjust pen settings. Switch between pen and highlight and select color and line style. When you are happy with your pen settings, use your finger or stylus to make a freehand drawing. Tap the Shapes icon to insert a shape. Once you've added a shape, tap it to customize its size. Zoom in or out anytime by pinching the screen. Tap on Format to adjust the color, line, and text size and style. Tap the sticker icon to add sticky notes. Once you've added a sticker, tap it to customize its size. Tap on Format to adjust the color and text size and style. Tap the Text tool to add a text box. Tap on Format to adjust the color and text size and style. Tap the image icon to add an image to your whiteboard. When any whiteboard object is selected, you have the option to duplicate it, change its layer order, or delete it. To quickly delete multiple objects, first tap on the eraser icon, then use it to remove objects from your whiteboard. Tap the More icon to open a menu where you can share your whiteboard, erase your whiteboard, and turn the background grid feature on and off. Use the Bring Everyone to Me and Mini-Map features to help your collaborators navigate the whiteboard canvas. Within the Mini-Map, tap and drag the purple rectangle to navigate around the whiteboard. When your whiteboard session is done, the person who first shared it can tap on Stop Sharing.